It's the most wonderful time of the year. Maybe you can go in there and get Philip to come in here and put one thing on the tree, and we'll take it.
I wonder why. Y'all can't get along. It's more it's just as much as your fault as it is his. One of these days y'all gonna wish you had each other. Regret it.
I got that whole conversation on tape that I'm gonna play back in 20 years.
I never dreamed I would have two kids that despise each other the way they do. That's broke.
Brett, you fix it?
That's gonna fall off.
Let me see. Let me get a close-up of it. That's the one you fixed? Mm-hmm. Hang it up there. Find it.